Lots of people are doing intermittent fasting, but only see minimum results. They would achieve so much more if they knew one thing that we're about to tell you. Today, we'll give you 6 tips on how to boost your weight loss during fasting. Watch till the end, because we have tip number 1 for maximum intermittent fasting results. Tip number 6. Understand what's happening with your body while fasting. First of all, you're not starving. You're actually mimicking something that our bodies were designed to operate with, which is not eating so frequently. During intermittent fasting, you basically turn off the bad stuff that's happening in your body and you turn on the good stuff. Here, your main target is insulin sensitivity improvement. Insulin resistance is the first reason you are overweight or have difficulty losing weight. And that's not it. Many diseases and chronic health problems are connected to high insulin, so fasting is the most important and effective tool to fix those problems. You're fixing years of bad eating habits and overall health with it. It's not just a small thing, you're doing something significant for yourself. Another thing that you can do for yourself is to subscribe to our channel for more intermittent fasting videos. Come on, we have so much more to share with you. Tip number 5. Drink specific herbal teas that make insulin more sensitive. We've already mentioned that weight loss is all about fixing insulin problems, so anything you can do to improve insulin sensitivity will help you lose weight. There are 2 teas that you can drink to fix that issue. The first that we recommend is berberine. Studies show that berberine can effectively decrease insulin resistance and can be used as a weight loss supplement. You can easily implement this tea into your daily routine and drink it throughout the day. Another great option would be green tea. The third option is not tea, but we can't not mention it. It's apple cider vinegar. ACV is an effective tool in lowering blood sugar levels, decreasing insulin levels, and increasing fat loss. Just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into a glass of water, stir it up, and drink it before your meal. Tip number 4. Add high-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT. What is that exactly? HIIT is a type of exercise that combines short bursts of intense activity with rest periods. So you're doing this full-body exercise, but in short intervals. That way you can spike the growth hormone by 700%. It's way more effective than, let's say, a treadmill workout. Keep in mind that HIIT will really help you, but only if you don't do it too frequently. Do it once or twice a week with a lot of rest in between, because if you do it every day, the results just go way down. Why? Because your body will put all its energy into recovery, you won't see maximum results. Tip number 3. Be consistent. Intermittent fasting is all about the process and time. Weight loss won't happen during a day or two. What you don't want to do is weigh yourself every single day. Weight loss is gradual, so not seeing fast results may be discouraging and make you quit. You should take a picture of yourself before starting intermittent fasting. Then take another picture of yourself after 2 weeks or a month. This way, you will really see some changes that are occurring. Secondly, when you notice that your appetite and cravings have gone away, you should know you have adapted to the fasting regime and become truly consistent. Thirdly, try to focus more on changes in your overall health. Maybe your energy is improving, maybe your good mood is getting better. The main point is to get healthy first, then lose weight, not the other way around. By the way, maybe you have more tips on how to stay consistent while doing intermittent fasting. Share in the comments below. Tip number 2, combine healthy keto with fasting. Again, what we're trying to do is fix insulin resistance. How do you do that? Well, lower your carbs and you don't eat so frequently. And this is why intermittent fasting with keto is going to be essential. If you're doing intermittent fasting and you're eating a lot of carbs, don't expect a lot of great results unless your metabolism is already really good. However, most people have insulin resistance, so focus on nutrient-dense foods and have control over your food. And here we come to tip number 1. Are you ready? The main and the best number 1 tip is to switch from eating 2 meals a day to a 1-meal day, or OMAD. It's because when you do OMAD, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. Especially if you have a slow metabolism and do not see results with weight loss, just remember, you must consult your doctor and dietitian before starting this or any other diet. We talk about 2 meals a day versus OMAD in the next video, so watch it now.